Kakain tayo ng masarap today and magluluto tayo ng hipon. Hipon, shrimp. Sa amin kasi sa Bisaya, ang hipon ay pasayan ang tawag. So today, magluluto tayo ng creamy garlic butter shrimp. At may cheese pa yan. Pero ito, importante dito, makakain tayo ng masarap. Ang ating shrimp will have a very creamy, garlicky, delicious sauce. And today, gagamit tayo ng butter. Arla butter, unsalted butter, half a bar of butter. Yan. And we will just melt that here. Yan. Eto, masarap to with pasta or rice. Rice na tayo diretso. Huwag na magpasta-pasta. And we will now add our garlic. Isang katutak na garlic. Siguro mga 1/3 cup. And we will cook the garlic little by little. Huwag natin na biglain sa init para makuha talaga natin yung aroma ng garlic. So this is a very nice rich sauce dahil meron siyang mayonnaise. Ha? May mayonnaise? Oo, may mayonnaise to. At masarap to. So we add our garlic. Let it toast a little bit. Ayaw natin mag-brown, but we want the flavor of garlic to really, infuse into the butter. And now, I will add my mayonnaise. Mix. And lalagyan natin ng calamansi. We will cook the calamansi here. And we will season that with a little bit of salt and pepper. And now we will add our shrimp. Ito, shrimp kalahating kilo na shrimp. 1 kilo na shrimp pala. So, mga 1 cup of mayo. Yan, creamy na, Tatakam na kayo, Hindi pa yan. Mas masarap pa yan. Lagyan natin ito masarap. Yan, Tatakam na kayo. Woo! And, eto pa. Grated cheese. Ubusin ba natin tong cheese? Huwag naman. Magtira tayo ng konti. Yan. Mix everything until it cooks. Di ba? Oh, wow. Tingnan mo yung sauce, Naging creamy yung ating sauce. Lapit na maluto to. Ito, lalagyan natin ng sili. So that will temper the spiciness of this. Sauce natin. Masarap din to sa garlic bread, Finish with pepper and salt. And that is done. And meron tayong konting spring onions or parsley o cilantro o anong meron ka. Pwedeng dried herbs, pwedeng basil. Depende kung ano yung meron ka and ano yung trip mo and ano yung theme ng inyong pagkain, Pwede mo lagyan ng paprika, pwede mo lagyan ng Cajun seasoning. You can make it a little bit, add a bit of curry. So ito, base lang to, pero it's very versatile, You can make whatever you want with this. Look at that. Pwede rin to sa crab. Pwede rin to sa squid. Ganyan, tuturuan ko kayo paano kumain nito. And kukuha tayo ng isa. So before you eat it, tanggal mo yung ulo. Because ang ulo, nandun yung masarap. Crap. So sisip-sipin mo yun. Harap. Kahit wala kayong party, wala kayong handa, pero ito yung hinain nyo, feeling mo may okasyon. It's really good. Walang biro, walang halong arte. It's really so delicious. The sweetness of the shrimp, yung kick ng garlic, buttery, cheesy, then yung richness ng mayonnaise. This is a recipe to keep simple.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.